Hello everyone, I'm Pierrette and this is my kitchen. Today we are making short ribs and today we are making taco salad. We're gonna make tiramisu pancakes. I really only eat healthy food so that I can afford dessert. And today we are making hollandaise sauce. So I'm going to make French onion soup. So today we're going to make a watermelon salad, which gives you an opportunity to serve watermelon in a different and unique way than what most people might be used to. And it'll make you the host or hostess of the season. And today I'm going to take you inside my head. So I'm going to have to apologize in advance because it's a little bit of a scary place. If you're watching this video, it's because it worked. And if it didn't, then this will never see the light of day. That is our beautiful salmon with mango and pineapple salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope we'll see you soon. Take care.